Let that run for a while while I paddle. A bit of a breeze coming up. There we go. And back across. Just done a couple of kayaks out. Across to the other side. So she says if we get into trouble, we can blow the whistle and they'll come for help. But if we go too far and they can't hear the whistle, then we have to beach the canoe on this side and walk back through the forest. Wouldn't that be fun? Greta stopping every 10 feet trying to figure out where we are. Okay. Now if it's going to happen. Hey, how many times have we done this raising? Hey, I think this is like your 10th canoe paddle. 8 or 10, something like that. Yeah, it's a weekday. Nobody else is out. And the cloud cover is perfect. No hot sun. Nice cool breeze. That's giving us a little challenge to the paddle. Yes. But otherwise, it's perfect. Nobody else out here. Got a nice early start. And I've got my phone in a protective waterproof case hanging it around my neck. So I have no idea what this video looks like. I just kind of know where it's pointed. And allows me to take a little video of this paddle without having to stop. There we are. All these little lily pads coming up. Look at that. And just a wall of forest, and I have seen no way that I know how to walk back from here. Unless there's a campsite behind all of that. With roads. Anyways, let's just go along. Oh, the sun's peeking out now. There's the sun peeking out. Okay, remember we were at Elk Island National Park in Alberta, and we started out paddling, and then the clouds came in, and then it started hailing as we desperately paddled to shore, hanging onto a piece of tree while the hail pummeled us. We all had steak that night as a reward. All right, I'm going to shut off the video at this point. Real quick, are you having fun? Hey, there's another little experience for you. All right.